little boy that somebody sent down to the earth to live on the wind, born on the wind, and he sleeps on the way. This little boy that somebody sent, she's light and fragile and feather sky blue, so thin and graceful, sunshine through. This little boy who lives on the wing, this little boy that somebody sent. He flies so high up in the sky, out of reach of human eye, and the only time he touches the ground is when the little boy is when the little boy is when the little boy